Okay. So remember ngisho ukuthi ngenkathi senza i-meiosis we found out ukuthi sinama-body cells angisho, and each body cell inama-chromosome awungaki, ama-chromosome awu-46. You still remember that angisho?
Yes.
Yeah, and then lawo ma-chromosomes they're arranged in pairs. They're arranged in pairs, so it means we've got 23 of pairs of chromosomes inside our cells wethu. So basically each pair, remember ukuthi izoba inama-chromosome awu-2. Eyokuqala is a maternal chromosome, the one that is coming from the mother, and then eyesibili is the one that is coming from the father. That is the paternal chromosome. Yabona? So if sina 46 chromosomes, meaning that's not 23 pairs, kulawo ma-pairs, one is from the mother, one is from the father. You still remember that, right?
Yes.
So something like this. So let's just assume ukuthi le a blue isuka kulonto isuka kumama, and then le a red isuka kubaba. So basically unama chromosomes awu-2 on each pair. Yabona, and ama-pairs awu-23 in total. So kulawo ma-chromosomes, remember the whole purpose of our chromosomes is to code for our physical characteristics. And sasho last time ukuthi ama-autosomes iwona acoda for ini ama-physical characteristic ukuthi uzoba mnyama noma uzoba light skinned noma uzoba ne-black hair, or you're going to have green hair or something like that. So all of it is all about coding for ini ama-characteristic. Yabona?
Yes.
So masikhatha a small section, masingathatha nje i-piece encane on top of a chromosome. I-piece encane on top of a chromosome siyibiza ngani? Nge-gene. So basically i-gene sithi kahle kahle it's a small segment noma it's a small section of DNA that codes for for a particular characteristic. So makukhulunywa ngama-genes. Remember this topic is about genetics. It's all about genes, how are they transferred. So mawukhatha nje upiece omncane nje kwi-chromosome ngayinye, basically a small segment, lo piece omncane ono-DNA, it is found on a chromosome, and then it codes for a particular characteristic. Shuthi iyona edetermine ukuthi uzoba namaphi ama-characteristic. Are you going to be dark? Are you going to be tall? All of those other characteristics. Yabona? So leyo nto sibiza ngani? Nge-gene. So ahlale to be specific, njengoba sithi ama-chromosome iwona are responsible for a physical characteristic. Kulawo ma-chromosome into eyenza lowo msebenzi to code for ama-characteristic yini? Ama-genes.
Yes.
As well. Okay. So i-gene siyithola endaweni esibiza ngani? Nge-locus.
Locus.
So, yeah, so i-locus basically kuyi-position of i-gene. This is just a position. Ila uthola khona i-gene yakho. It's just the position of a gene on a chromosome. So mababuze nge-locus when uzosho uthini? I-position of a gene on a chromosome. So ufuna ukubona ukuthi i-gene yakho itholakala kuyiphi position on a chromosome. So each and every position la kutholakala khona i-gene sibiza ngani? Nge-locus. Ngezwakala?
Yes, sir.
All right. So lama chromosomes lawa njengoba sisho ukuthi you have got 23 pairs of them. You have got them within your somatic cells noma within your body cells. So since unalawa asuka from both the parents, one is from the mother, one from the father, kungenze ukuthi acode for the same characteristic but ahluke lawo ma-gene. For example, let's just say that your mom is light-skinned and then your dad is dark-skinned. Yabona ukuthi all of those genes, let's just say le gene leyo yokuqala lena, this one, this first gene here, it is a gene that is coding for a light skin, because umama has got light skin. I'm sure we assumed that the blue one is coming from the mom, so your mom has got light skin, and then nang baba Kolana, he's your father, has got a dark skin. So do you see with him? Wonke la ma-gene lawa awu-2. Sisho ukuthi wonke la ma-gene lawa awu-2, they are coding for i-skin color sakho ukuthi what is going to be your skin, the skin color of your parents basically. So mase sibuka lawo, these are calling for the same characteristic. Wonke azosideterminela ini skin color. All of them are genes, but then ahlukile, so they are actually different forms of each gene. So lawo ma different forms siwabiza ngani? Ama-alleles. So masikhuluma ngama-alleles sithini? This is different forms of a gene. So each gene esikhuluma ngayo lana is skin color. So sina two ways noma sina two options ye-skin color. It's either sino light skin bese ke sibe nabani? No dark skin. And all of them, you have both of them. So we actually call them ini ama-alleles. So ama-alleles, they are just different forms of ini of a gene. Kezwakala?
Yes.
All right. So now equation comes ukuthi, for example, lo muntu lona, the one that we're analyzing ama-chromosome wakhe njengamanje, une-chromosome ethi light skin esuka kumama, ephinde abe ne-chromosome ethi dark skin esuka kubaba, right? So lo muntu lo uzobukeka kanjani? Because remember ukuthi lo muntu lona must have only one skin color. You cannot have a dark and light skin. Mhlambe abe half dark, half light. Or in reality, that's not possible. So since i-offspring yethu ine characteristic eyi-one kuphela, kumele athathe yiphi? Ekamama noma ekababa? What do you think, well?
If kunjani, sir?
If, okay, let's just say for this example, sinomama or light-skinned, ubaba or dark-skinned. Ayisho uyawa-inherit lawo ma-chromosome, or nawo ama-chromosome kamamakho nobabakho, both of them.
Yes.
So i-characteristic ozoyithatha wena, uzoba light-skinned noma uzoba dark-skinned kahle kahle? Are you gonna be light-skinned or dark?
Since the offspring has only one characteristic, which one should? I'm gonna be dark skin.
Why did you take the one above? Okay, okay, your parents are they the same skin color?
Not really.
Okay, which one did you take with?
My dad.
Oh, your dad. So okay. So there are actually two possibilities. You can take your dad's, your mom's, or both of them. Because when they are like, for example, look at this.
Say.
Yeah.
Sengiyakhumbula manje kwi-video uthena you can, okay, if your mom is light skin and your dad is dark skin, you can take your mom's skin color, but your dad's skin color is also there, but it's ngathini, it's not exposed, if I can use the word exposed.
Exactly. So mungabuka, this is a mom and a daughter. Do you see they are very, very alike? They look alike.
Yes.
So mawuzobona ubaba wakhona thola ukuthi ubaba akafani nendodakazi yakhe. Yabo, so you wouldn't say with him it's no longer her father or something like that. Noma mhlambe ibhantshi noma into kanjalo. But it's all about the dominant and recessive allele. So njengoba ama-alleles lawo ayiwo aba-specific kwi-skin ukuthi uzothatha siphi. For example, leya kamama i-light, leya kababa injani? I-dark, i-allele yakhona. So i-dominant allele iyona evelayo in the phenotype noma in the physical characteristic. Shuthi kahle i-dominant allele iyona ezivezayo, iyona ebonakalayo in a sense. So if wenze ukuthi i-allele ekababakho iyona e-dominant, and i-allele kababakho is coding for dark skin color, shuthi wena you're gonna be dark skinned because i-allele kababakho, it's what? It's dominant.
Dominant.
Exactly. So i-dominant allele iyona ezoziveza kuphi? Kwi-phenotype. So basically i-phenotype usuke ubuka ukuthi i-physical characteristic yaleyo color siyibona kanjani. For example, dark skin, that is a phenotype. So sisuke sikubuka ukuthi ubukeka kanjani, basically. That's the physical characteristic. So in this sense, sithi i-dominant allele iyona ezovela in the physical characteristic. Yabo.
Yes.
And then recessive allele, sithi i-masked, it's a masked allele, noma it is suppressed when the allele partner is dominant. So it just means ukuthi recessive allele ayiveli. It stays within you. You still have the allele. You still have the allele from your mom, which is light skin, but ayiveli, noma it is masked or it is suppressed within you. So basically, dominant allele system, it masks the recessive allele. So nanoma ungaba nawo wonke awu-2, as in the light skin and the dark skin allele, but i-dominant one, iyona ezoziveza, and then recessive, it stays hidden.
Yes.
Exactly.
So first, bathola njani abantu that are like mixed?
That are mixed. Okay, we're still going to do a type of dominance later on, because it's possible ukuthi ube dark skinned like your dad, noma ube light skinned like your mom, noma ube phakathi naphakathi. It's all types of dominance, all of those. We are still going to do that later on. Yeah. So the genetics is fine. You can understand it in a sense, in a reality type of sense. But masses language genetics, sizobona ngani ukuthi sine-dominant allele. I-dominant allele sirepresenta ngani? Nge-capital letter. Dominant allele sirepresenta ngani? Nge-capital letter. I-recessive allele sirepresenta ngani? Nge-small letter.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's just say mhlambe sifuna ukurepresenta u-black, u-dark skin color. Mhlambe sisebenzise u-capital letter D. So i-recessive allele yakhona sisebenzisa ubani? U-small letter. Small letter D. So we use those letters to represent ama-alleles, a-dominant allele. Sirepresenta ngani? A-capital letter. A-recessive sirepresenta ngani? A-small letter. And the type of letter that we're going to use, it is determined by a dominant allele. So a dominant allele iyona determine a type of letter that we're going to use. For example, if we say let's just say we say the dominant hair color, a hair color that is dominant, it is black, and we represent black with capital letter B. Kanjani, right? So i-allele ezorepresenta i-white skin color, so irepresenta nge-letter bani. So sebenzisa lo B nayo, but we're gonna make it a small letter B. Yes, it will be a small letter B. You're not going to write ubani, you're not going to write a small letter W because it's white all of a sudden. No. I-dominant allele iyona determine ukuthi uzosebenzisa yiphi letter to represent a characteristic layer. So once the dominant allele yangathi the dominant characteristic is capital letter D, then the recessive one will be small letter d. Okay, so if we say uthi black, black represent no capital letter B, then white is to be represented with a small letter. I'm sure black is the opposite of white. So basically, if we see a small letter, which is the recessive, it's just the opposite of a black skin color.
Yes.
Is that clear though?
Yes, so letter is determined by the dominant allele.
Yes, so the dominant allele is determine the type of letter that we're gonna use to represent your character.
See, if it's not the case, see bhala kanjani, it can be for a recessive, you can use another letter.
A recessive ezosebenzisa i-letter efana ne-dominant but izoba a small letter.
So, okay. So yeah, asishintshe iletha.
Into ekwazi ukushintsha iletha kuphela i-dominant allele, nakhona angenze nishintshe iletha. Once nje bangakutshela ukuthi the dominant allele is capital letter B, mhlampe for black skin color noma for black hair, you know ukuthi i-opposite ka-black kuzoba recessive allele, kuzoba small letter B. You won't use small letter W bese uthi i-recessive white. No, you use the same letter as the dominant, but uyenza ukuthi a small letter.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. So now again, i-gene expression. I-gene siyibona ngani? Remember sithe njengoba una 2 pairs of chromosomes in each year, you've got 23 pairs of chromosomes in total. So each and every pair inama chromosomes awu-2, ngisho pair just means 2. So kahle i-gene yakho is made up of 2 alleles, because remember ukuthi both of them, these alleles, they are calling for a skin color, but you have got all of them, wonke akhona kuwe. Okay, you have got all of them in you. So basically, each gene must expressa, basically must expressa isuke inani, isuke inama allele awu-2 kanjena. So yabo inama alleles awu-2. Yonke gene nje oyi-expressayo, it has got 2 alleles. It's because vele you have got 2 chromosomes in each pair, yabo, and each chromosome in an allele yayo. Is that fine?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So i-gene expression, ukuthi i-gene iziveza kanjani, siyibiza nge-genotype leyo nto. So i-genotype basically suye sifuna ukubona ukuthi ama-alleles onawo iwaphi. Remember, i-phenotype sithi yini? I-physical characteristic, right? I-phenotype indlela obukeka ngayo, i-physical characteristic. Bese-ke i-genotype suye sifuna ukubona ukuthi ama-allele onayo. For example, lo BB lona uyi-genotype, yabona, uyi-genotype. U-capital letter B, small letter B, uyi-genotypes. So nje sibuka ukuthi imaphi ama-allele onawo. Une-dominant ne-dominant, noma une-recessive noma une-dominant ne-recessive. Okay, so masingathi siyayi-describe the first genotype esinayo, u-BB. To describe it in words, we can say ukuthi lo BB lona, it is what? Homozygous.
Dominant allele.
Yes, it's homozygous dominant. It's homozygous dominant. Masithi homozygous, sisho ukuthi sinama allele anohlobo olufanayo.
Afanayo.
Yeah, afanayo. I-dominance.
Just like homologous chromosomes.
Yes. It's like that. Whenever you hear homo, there's a same in it.
Same.
Yeah. So here we've got homozygous dominant. Loya homo loya just tells us sinama dominant allele awu-2. Yabo. So la sichaza nje i-genotype, but ma uyibhala ubhala ama-allele wakhona, ubhala u-B no B, that's the genotype. This is just explaining the genotype. It's homozygous dominant, is 2 dominant alleles.
Yes, sir.
And then I send the phenotype here the statement says the dominant hair color is black, represented by capital letter B. That's the dominant hair color. So lana, since it's no homozygous dominant, what do you think the physical characteristic of the person will look like? Since ano biyomkhulu, not biyomkhulu.
They're gonna have black hair.
Yes, just going to be black hair, because unama allele lawa akhoda for black hair.
Fine.
And here we have said to him, a dominant hair color leso representing ngo capital letter B izomela u-black hair. Kusho ukuthi lo muntu lo, since anabo capital letter B abawu-2, uzoba ne-black hair.
Yes.
And then layers 2 again. Do we have the same type of alleles?
Heterozygous.
Yes, it's heterozygous. So let's see it heterozygous. sichaza i-genotype yakhona. Heterozygous shuthi nje sine-mixture la because uma ungathi uyabona no-capital letter B no-small letter b shuthi une-dominant allele ne-recessive allele.
Yes.
So i-heterozygous. I-phenotype yakhona izoba kanjani?
It's gonna be black hair, but black hair is gonna be more dominant, but the other hair color is gonna be suppressed.
So like in terms of physical characteristic, is the person going to have black hair or what?
The person will have black hair.
Yes, the person will just have black hair because vele black hair dominant.
It's dominant.
Yeah, and nanoma sinayo small letter B lo, this one it'll be a masked characteristic.
Suppressed.
Yes, it'll be suppressed. Angeke akwazi ukuvela lapha ku-phenotype. Cool. All right. What about this one? What do you think we can say this is?
It's recessive because it's small letter B.
Just a recessive. So let's see. Okay, first of all, do we have the same type of alleles, different types?
Pardon, sir?
Do we have the same type of alleles, no matter do we have different types of alleles?
They're the same.
Yes, all of them are recessive.
Yeah, small letters will not be.
Yes, so you must say what they are homozygous.
Are they homozygous?
Yes, it's homozygous because homozygous nje oshuthi
they're the same.
Yes, they're the same. They're homozygous, but it's a recessive one. They are homozygous, and then all of them are recessive. Exactly. What do you think the phenotype will be then?
So the color, it's gonna be white because black is not dominant.
Yes, this is going to be white hair. This is going to be white hair. So white, it will pick white because it's opposite to black. Because here we only have got recessive there. Here we only have got recessive allele. Small letter B, all of them are recessive. So ayikho dominant allele esizoshuthi iyona ezovela physical characteristic. So uyabona kahle i-recessive characteristic, for example, in this case, i-white hair ivela i-recessive, recessive i-white hair ivela only if you have got a homozygous recessive genotype. If if unafanayo and wonke anjani are recessive, that's the only way yokuthi ugcine uba ne lonto njani
homozygous recessive.
Homozygous, there must be a homozygous recessive so that ukwazi ukuba ne-phenotype any recessive characteristic. For example, in this case, ukuze umuntu akwazi ukuba ne-white hair, it can only happen if unama-homozygous recessive allele kuphela. But mawuzoba nento eno-dominant nje, le dominant yakhona iyona ezovela ku-phenotype.
Yes.
We can just recap. I wish there were questions for what we've done so far, but basically, I can say with him, there are not really any questions. Okay, do you have any questions for me here?
No.
Okay, you still remember what a gene is, Anish?
Yes, it's a small segment of DNA that codes for a characteristic, particular character.
Cool. Well, what is the position of a gene? The specific position of a gene on a chromosome?
It's a locus. Locus.
And the plural for locus is loci, ne? So
okay, yes.
let me just write it down. This is locus if it's singular. In plural,
Loci.
yes, it's loci. And then what are alleles?
Allele are the different forms of gene atholakala kwi-locus
Efanayo, same
eyodwa.
locus. Uyabona ukuthi ama-gene lawe we-skin color wonke aziba sendaweni eyodwa. Njengalana, you see that this dark skin, light skin gene from the mother and this dark skin from the father, they're at the same position.
They're in the same position,
locus.
yes.
Yeah, they're in the same locus.
Right.
And then again, difference between a dominant and a recessive allele.
A difference ukuthi i-dominant allele ngathini, it's the one that shows, that becomes visible to ingane. It's the most dominant.
Try to use the word in the phenotype.
Or in the phenotype. Phenotype refers to phenotype, it refers to
a physical characteristic, into esiyibonayo, into evelayo yakhona.
Oh.
Physical.
So in order to word it kahle fanele ngithi dominant allele is visible in the phenotype.
Yes, it is visible, noma it is shown in the phenotype.
In the phenotype of a child.
Or you can say of the offspring. Try to use a life sciences scientific terms and less of the general ones, such as abo child, offspring.
So of the offspring, yes.
Yeah, but there's not really a need for you to say of the offspring. You can just say it is the allele that shows in the phenotype.
Yes, and then recessive allele is suppressed.
Yes, it is suppressed.
It is not visible.
Yeah, isuppresswa yini kahle yini enza ukuthi recessive allele ibe suppressed?
Iyona i-dominant allele.
Exactly, it is suppressed by the dominant allele. And then how to represent them?
Dominant allele is represented by capital letters, by a capital letter, and then recessive allele is represented by small letters.
Okay. So if I say that my dominant allele is D for dark hair, and I say the recessive allele would have to be W for white hair, would it be fine?
No, that is wrong.
Why is it wrong?
Because since a dominant allele UD, recessive, capital letter D dominant, a recessive allele finally ibe small capital letter, small letter D.
It must be small letter D. So in other words, the dominant allele iyona ezokhetha iletter ku-alphabet ezoyisebenzisa for that characteristic.
Yes.
Cool. And then the genotypes, I still remember them, right?
Kodwa ngingashaya example ehlule ngale khona ngizoyiphendula kahle.
Okay. So let's just say in plants, the dominant, let's just say the in plants, the dominant, okay, the dominant color of leaves. The dominant color of leaves is green, represented by capital letter G. And you are also told the recessive as well. The recessive one is yellow color. So now for number 1, I will give you this one and I say that this is G and then this is G. Now I ask, what is the phenotype for this GG?
It is a homozygous dominant.
The phenotype.
Well, phenotype is green. Green.
Yes, it's green leaves. Actually, we're talking about the color of the leaves here.
It's green leaves. What about, let's just say, Phenotype.
The phenotype here.
The phenotype, it is green leaves.
It's still green leaves because the dominant characteristic is the one that dominates English.
Yes.
Green leaves. And then if I give you a phenotype and I say yellow leaves, what will be the genotype here?